Alright, we're in the middle of San Rafael. Not on the outskirts. Damn in the middle. I saw this awesome middle. Look at this detail. It's by... Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Agia Negra _ Hawk. This detail of the horns into fire, into water. It's so cool. Boomser _ Uno. There we go. You guys want to check out more? Boomser _ Uno. Very cool. Yeah. Just gonna take a little bit off the main strip here, but and there's no one out here. Shaggy _ 1. Oh, that is cool. I think this is an amazing pozoleria. El Sender. Oh yeah, definitely is. When are you guys open? La Comadre. Hold on. I'm just reading the menu. Solo leyendo el menú. Quesadillas, enchiladas rojas, flautas, pozole. Alright, I gotta come back for this. I gotta ask these guys, when is the pozole open? Alright, I might pass on the way back. Because that pozole was awesome. So the buses in San Miguel are those Mercedes, those purple Mercedes buses. There's a Facebook group about the bus routes, and you can even post in it like, hey, I'm trying to get here to here, what do I do? And someone will help. They're 10 pesos, and it doesn't matter if you. They don't really do. They don't do transfers here, so. If you need 2 buses, you gotta pick 10 pesos per bus. And here's San Felipe, Juan de San Miguel, Calle Frey. Alright, let's keep walking up here. We're gonna go past this church and find this parque de Allende, Ignacio Allende. It's the main street, so there might be some more stores, more businesses, but it looks pretty quiet. It just looks people chilling, watching TV in their living room. Got the church here, decent sized. I heard there are 13 churches in the city. I think there might be more, but yeah. This guy looks closed for the time being. Entonces, adelante. meet. What do you got for those? There's a vaca. Hola pequeña. It's like till weekend. Everything's cool. That's where you get your good tortillas from. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Ándale. Gallos. Alright, let's see where this park is. Getting there, okay. Past El Tio, let's do the right. Adelante y derecha. This is a really cool house. The outside it looks prim and proper, but inside I bet it's amazing. Alright, here's Parque Allende, Ignacio. We got a basketball court. Perfect. I can do chin-ups. Got some big steps. I can do lunges. Perfect gym. The outdoors. Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Ignacio.
Sí,
Esta estatua
Ignacio Allende.
de Allende. Gracias. Muy importante. Pero, why is this sword bent? Is it vandalism or is there significance to it? I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a nice park. It's the first park with plastic I've seen. It's normally metal. Ah, there's the metal part. Jungle gyms. Amphitheater. Probably have music here. Looks like they had flags at one point. Ah, it's pretty empty though. Yeah. Cool park. Oh, a soccer field too. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get my workout in. I think down by the amphitheater. And there's a dip station I see over there. So I can do dips. I can do pull-ups. Rows. I can do pull-ups on the gym or on the basketball hoop, and I can do dips on those guys, dips on those guys, rows, and maybe here I could do pull-ups. Alright, perfect. Time for a workout. Oh, hi, bud. Aren't you sweet? Okay, it's time to work out. I gotta go. Adios.